Tungkat Ali is such a miraculous substance that by now. In Malaysian supermarket, there are more brands of Tungkat Ali instant coffee than ordinary instant coffee. Even Nescafe sells with Tungkat Ali in Malaysia. However, the dosage of Tungkat Ali used in these products are likely way below those that are found in Tungkat Ali capsules that are licensed in Indonesia, not just as a food or health supplement but as a traditional medicine. In Malaysia, if a Nescafe sells with Tungkat Ali, it's because Tungkat Ali is the Malaysian remedy for about anything that ails men. Of course, men with high libido also are healthier in many other aspects.